Many a times we come across a lot of data which is consisting of a lot of items against which the data is given for say 4 years, 5 years, or so on and so forth. So that is a lot of data which is there. Now we want to visualize the change in the data over the years. Normally by seeing the numbers, that's a very difficult thing to do. So one of the ways to do that is to make a chart for this data. Now if we make a chart for this, there are 7 items, so there will be 7 series in that chart, so it will be a cumbersome chart. So instead of that, Excel gives us a feature which will allow to insert a mini chart within a cell itself. For that, what we need to do is we will say select the cell in which we want to insert the mini chart. Say for the data for wheat, we want to insert it in H5. Then go to insert. Then in insert tab you can see there is Sparklines. So create on say Sparkline, which is a line sparkline. Click on it. A menu will open which will ask for the data range. So in the data range we will select the data for the wheat from 20 to 2024. Then location of the sparkline we have already selected, so that is H5, and just press OK. So you can see the change, the value of the data in form of a small chart is given. Now we can copy paste this in the other cells. So data for the charts for the other data is also made in the respective cells. Also there is an option of having a, if you see there is an option of having a column sparkline also. So let us try that. Say click on column sparkline. Again the data range is the same, and OK. Now you can see the same data which was earlier we have created in line form, we have created in the form of a column chart. Now you can see for wheat how the data is changing, for dal, for biscuit, etc. So in this way you get a mini chart within this cell. We don't need to make a full insert a full chart which will look very cumbersome. Now this thing can be done for, say in this case we have taken only 7 items. You can have hundreds of items. For each and every item you can have this mini chart in front of the cell which gives you the change over the time for that particular item. Hope this feature of Sparklines is clear to you. Thank you.